Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring Fethiye City. Fethiye is a port city and district on Turkey's turquoise coast. We are starting from the famous tomb of Amyntas, known as Lycian tombs. I have a separate video on these Lycian tombs which will be uploaded to the channel soon. So subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the video. As shown in the map, we are walking from tombs towards the Fetihye Marina. So we had to walk down towards the main access road leading towards the marina. The main access road which takes you through shops and restaurants. And this road has all kind of shops, from restaurants to hardware stores to children bookshops. As we walk along, we pass along Yeni Hamidiye mosque. This mosque has a small square where there is a library and a cafe, so you can sit outside there and enjoy the local life while enjoying your tea. There is a bus stop behind the mosque from where you can take the minibuses. From this place you can travel to Oludeniz beach and Kayakoy, a abandoned village which is near Fethiye. So this is the main important point for you if you want to travel easily and you don't want to miss this place. As we move forward, we go towards a market street which has built up of restaurants, cafes, and this area is more touristy orientated. This market is very busy in night time as the people gather to enjoy the weather and the area. Then we start our walk of the marina at the far end so we can explore as much marina as we could. This area is full of boats and yachts, and you can take daily trips like 12 island full day trip or sunken city / turtle island trip. I will be uploading a video on 12 island day boat trip. That video will guide you through the boat tour. I would recommend that if you have less time and you only want to take one single boat day trip, then try the day trip from Oludeniz beach. That trip is amazing as the butterfly valley and the other stops are breathtaking. While walking next to marina, we go to the main square next to the marina. It has a statue of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Then after doing this, we will head back towards my Airbnb, which is located next to Lycian tombs. So let's continue with our tour. watching the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, like and comment down below. After this, I will be going towards Oludeniz beach. I will be uploading the video on Oludeniz beach and the famous Blue Lagoon, so stay connected.